How's it going, YouTube? Atomic Moon here, and I'm not in my studio today. Today I wanted to start a new vlog series about my victory garden that I'm starting. Gardening has been something I've been wanting to get into over the past few years, and now that I'm living out in the country, it is a prime opportunity for me to kind of start getting involved in it. And I thought about whether or not I wanted to start a vlog series about this, but I think it would be fun, mainly for myself. And if I can just inspire maybe one or two other people to start their own garden, then I think it would all be worth it. For the record, I have never grown anything. I have never grown not a damn thing in my entire life. So this is going to be a really, really fun opportunity for me to just completely try something I've never tried before, and to do something I'm really excited about that I've been wanting to try for a long time, and to kind of bring you guys along for the ride. So I wish I would have maybe prepared a little bit more to try to show exactly what I'm doing here, but yeah, basically what I've got right here is just some T-posts put in the ground kind of as a border, just to kind of give me an idea of how big I want the space to be. I've been saving up some cardboard over the past few months to kind of cover the space with. So basically the concept right here is I'm just covering the ground to try to kill all the grass and all the weeds that are underneath it. And yeah, this is the cardboard and some kind of spare plywood that I had. And today I just put down some carpenter's paper. We're kind of in the last week of January right now. But I'm hoping by the time mid-March comes and I'm getting ready to plant some plants, that maybe the grass won't be completely dead, but it'll maybe be a little bit easier for me to till it up. But yeah, this is basically the plot that I have picked out. I was really surprised by how small of a space I was able to get away with, because this, now that I'm standing next to it, I feel like I can grow a pretty decent amount of food here. And it's really just a 25 foot by 25 foot space. When I was first planning this out, I was thinking I was going to need, at least like 100 by 100 or like 100 by 50 foot space. But really this 25 by 25 I think is going to be perfect for me to get started. And, of course, if I want to make it bigger, I can always make it bigger. But I think this is going to be a really good spot for me to start. You see some tears right there. My Rottweiler was kind of running around on it. But it's not completely covered and not completely perfect, but I think this will be a nice, good start for me. And then looking back to the land over here, I'm really wanting to plant some more fruit trees and things like that. So that's going to be another thing that I'm going to be kind of looking out for. So anyways, everybody, this is kind of a new vlog series that I'm starting, and I'm excited to have you guys along for the ride. And my next video, I'm going to be actually trying to seed some plants indoors. As I mentioned earlier, we're still in January right now, so I really can't plant anything until March. And we've had some really unseasonable snow and frost, just at the beginning of this year. So I'm going to start seeding some stuff indoors, and I'm going to take you guys through that process. But this is just kind of an introduction, and to show you kind of the very basis of it, so that way later when things are actually growing, it'll be kind of cool to go back to this little video. But all right, guys, thank you guys for tuning in, and be on the lookout for more videos in this series.